welcome to our new video. Today we are going to discover the secret behind those mysterious command words. Let's get started. Feeling confused or frustrated by command words in your GCSE, AS or A-level exam papers? You are not the only one. Ever stared at the word discuss and wondered, do I explain, argue, or cry into the question paper? Don't worry. In this video, we are going to demystify all those confusing command words with funny and real-life examples, so you'll never blank out in an exam again. Let's start with the first verb. Analyze. It's examine in detail to show meaning. In other words, it means breaking something down and exploring how its parts are connected. Let's take an example. You analyze your exam results like Sherlock Holmes. Why did I score lower in paper 2? Was it timing? Was it the essay? Was it the font maybe? That's analysis. Let's move to assess. It's make an informed judgment. Let's take an example. You are deciding if revising at 1 a.m. with coffee is genius or self-destruction. You weigh pros and cons. Assess is like being a judge. You look at the facts and give your reasoned opinion. Real life, think of Britain's Got Talent. You decide, is it act good? Why? Is it original? Confident? That's assessing. Calculate. It's work out using data. Calculate, no story, just numbers. You are asked to find the percentage. Grab your calculator, work it out, plain and crisp. Comment. Give an informed opinion. Example. The experiment worked well, but the data was a mess. That's a scientific comment. Compare. Identify similarities and/or differences. As an example, comparing two study apps. This one has dark mode. That one has ads. I am choosing the one that lets me focus. Boom! Comparison done. Define. Give a clear meaning. Example. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules. You know the drill. That's a definition. Describe. Data points or characteristics. Example. Describe a neuron. It's like a spiky electrical noodle. Okay, now try that with the correct terms. Develop. Build or take forward an idea and add more detail. Let's have another example. You have a simple idea for a party, you develop it with the theme, music, food. Now it's awesome. Discuss. Write about an issue in detail. As an example, you discuss climate change in geography. Not just mention it, but go deep. Causes, impacts, solutions. You write about all sides of it with structure. That's proper discussion. Evaluate. It's judge what works best. Try different revision methods, flashcards, summarizing, rewatching lessons, then judge which one actually helps you learn. Was it quick, clear, memorable? That's evaluation, deciding what's most effective and why. As an example, you test flashcards, write summaries, and rewatch your teacher's video 4 times. Then you compare the results and decide flashcards helped you remember best. You just evaluated your revision strategy like a pro. Explain. Say how or why with reasons. Example, why did the enzyme activity drop? Denatured due to the high temperature. You have just explained like a pro. Give. Write something directly. Example, give the formula for photosynthesis. Don't narrate the discovery, just write it. Identify. It's to name or recognize. You just point something out. Spotting your friend in a blurry photo. Oh, that's Sarah. You just identified her. In science, for example, label the parts of the heart. Don't explain them, just identify. Outline. Give main points only, no deep detail. Example, outline the stages of mitosis. You don't write an essay, you list the key phases. Think headlines, not paragraphs, that's outlining. Predict. Imagine that you are asked predict what happens when the concentration of CO2 increases. You might think, time to grab a crystal ball and summon the future, right? Beat, nope, that's not what predict means in science. In science, to predict means to make a smart, logical guess based on what you already know. So you use evidence, facts, past patterns. No fortune telling, just reasoning. In this case, if CO2 increases, we know it traps more heat. So, your prediction? Global temperature is likely to rise. That's a scientific prediction. No magic involved. Catch. Draw a simple diagram. In other terms, make a quick, simple drawing. Example. Sketch the digestive system, not Mona Lisa. State. Say clearly in short form. No need for extras. Example. State Newton's first law. Don't explain. Just state it. Suggest. Imagine your science exam says, suggest why the plant grew faster in sunlight. You might feel like guessing widely. Maybe the plant liked Adele's music? Nope, that's not what suggest means in science. Suggest means offer a possible answer, one that actually makes sense. Like, maybe the plant had more light for photosynthesis. That's a reasonable guess. So next time you see the word suggest, don't go full fortune teller or make random guesses. Just think, use what you know, and offer a smart possibility. Summarize. Let's say your friend just told you a 20-minute story about this terrible day. You don't repeat the whole thing, you give the short version. He dropped his phone, it's cracked, he's mad. That's it. That's a summary. In science, when the question says summarize, it means just give the key points. No deep details, no long explanations, just the essential info. Short and clear. So next time you open an exam paper and see explain, evaluate, or compare, don't panic. You have seen them in real life. You live these words. Understand the command, deliver the right response, score smarter. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with someone who's still thinking discuss means arguing with a teacher.